First, turn off the system. Disconnect the power using the proper procedure. Close the air outlet valve. Verify that pressure relief valves are functional. Ensure there is no debris in the vicinity of the compressor and open the tank drain valve. Remove the inlet filter, inspect, and clean or replace as necessary. Replace the filter and housing. Check the oil level. Remove the fill port cover and top up the oil if required. Verify the oil level and replace the fill port cover. Close the tank drain valve. Open the air outlet valve. Turn the system on. Monitor the system to ensure proper performance.